To fix a declined payment method on Uber Eats, start by checking your account balance and ensuring that your payment method is valid and up to date. If your credit or debit card has been declined, it may be due to insufficient funds, expired card details, or security restrictions. First, open the Uber Eats app and navigate to the Payments section. Here, you can view your current payment methods and add new ones if needed. If your payment method has been declined, you will see an error message prompting you to update your payment information. To update your payment method, tap on the payment method that was declined and select the Update option. You will then be prompted to enter your new payment details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date to avoid further issues. If you are using a credit or debit card, check with your bank to see if there are any security restrictions in place that may be causing the decline. Some banks have security measures that flag transactions from food delivery services as suspicious, so it may be necessary to contact your bank to authorize the transaction. In addition to updating your payment method, you can also try adding a new payment method to your account. Uber Eats accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, as well as digital payment services like Apple Pay and Google Pay. To add a new payment method, navigate to the Payment section and select the Add Payment Method option. You will then be prompted to enter your new payment details. And once you have done so, you can use this new method to complete your transaction. It is also a good idea to ensure that your Uber Eats app is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause issues with payment processing. To update the app, go to the App Store on your device and search for Uber Eats. If an update is available, select the Update option to download and install the latest version. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with your payment method being declined on Uber Eats. Remember to always keep your payment information up to date and ensure that you have sufficient funds available to avoid any further issues.